Hey guys, and welcome to Project Bachata instructional videos. This is a place to be to learn everything about bachata, starting off with the basics. Now these videos will be provided both in English and Spanish, so if you prefer to watch these instructions in Spanish, please click the link below. Remember that sharing is caring, so if you enjoyed these videos, share the love by clicking the like button and sharing the video below. Now let's get started. Hey everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. I am El Flaco, and with me we have Cynthia here, and we are here to teach you how to do the front and back bachata basics. Now, if you haven't already watched the side-to-side basic video, you might want to go ahead and watch that before continuing on with this, as I explain the basic counts. Okay, so let's go ahead and demonstrate what the front and back basic is going to be. Essentially, we're going to be walking forward and walking back. Okay, so as a lead, I'm going to start off by walking forward, and the follow is going to start off by going back. Okay, now let's go ahead and demonstrate. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. Okay, so this is essentially what we're doing, and I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate this from the side. You step forward, step right next to your other foot, step forward and tap. And same thing as we're going back. Okay, let's go ahead and demonstrate this in two full basics. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. Okay, now let's go ahead and turn around so you can see this from the other perspective. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. Okay, now let's go ahead and demonstrate this with a partner. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. Perfect. Now that you know how to do the front and back basics, let's go ahead and get this party started.